Just relax here. Whoa.
Jeez, you're so good. Wow.
That's great. Wow.
Beautiful. Amazing.
I can feel this muscle was really holding the tension here. Just using a bit magnesium cream.
Okay.
Okay. Similar stretching?
No.
No. Okay.
But I'm sure I will be after this.
It's not heavy, huh?
Not really.
Not really.
It's just very tense.
It's called upper cross syndrome.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm not sure you heard about this term. So upper cross syndrome is just a more professional term for the hunchback and head forward carriage. Sorry.
Terrible.
Okay.
Wow. That was so loud.
Yeah, that was a really big one, right? Ooh, feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm feeling great.
Yeah, nice. Wow. That was very loud. Closer. You think?
Yeah.
And breathe out. Good, very good. Ooh,
Oh,
lady one, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Good. Breathe out. Okay, good. There was a big one there.
Yeah.